Attention, all carpet owners and accidental mess makers. Has a playful slime mishap turned into a sticky nightmare on your beloved carpet? Fret not, because today, we're unleashing the ultimate guide to rescue your carpet from the clutches of slimy chaos. Slime may bring joy, but it can also bring distress when it finds its way into your carpet's fibers. But don't worry, we're about to reveal effective methods to save your carpet and your sanity. Don't miss out any tips in this video for the best results, and subscribe to our channel to learn many more household tips and tricks. Before we dive into the cleaning magic, let's remember this cardinal rule: act fast. The longer slime lingers, the tougher it becomes to remove. Knife or spoon to remove slime. Your first step is to gently remove as much slime as possible. Use a butter knife or a spoon to carefully lift the excess without pressing it further into the carpet. Vinegar to get slime out of carpet. Now, let's delve into the cleaning arsenal. White vinegar is a superhero when it comes to dissolving slime. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water, dampen a clean cloth with the solution, and gently blot the affected area. The vinegar will break down the slime's stickiness. Dish soap to remove slime from carpet. Next up, liquid dish soap to the rescue. It's like a natural degreaser for your carpet. Combine a small amount of liquid dish soap with water to create a soapy solution. Apply it to the slime stain and gently blot with a clean cloth. Carpet cleaner for stubborn slime stains. For more stubborn slime situations, a carpet cleaner machine can be your ally. Make sure to use a solution compatible with your machine and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Remember, no matter which method you choose, always follow the golden rule: blot, don't rub. Rubbing can damage the carpet fibers and spread the slime. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to rescuing your carpet from the grips of sticky slime. Timely action and these cleaning strategies are your tickets to success. Now go ahead, tackle that slime stain, and restore your carpet to its former glory. Thanks for tuning in, and may your carpet stay slime-free. Remember, messes happen, but with the right know-how, they can be conquered. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck and see you in the next video.